open ear earbuds. These are the F6 models. You can kind of see them right there. I've already had these out and tried them on, and let me just kind of like go over some of them. They have smart touch control on the back. They have a built-in microphone. They're portable charging case, and it's the automatic link up. Transmission distance is 10 meters, which what, about 30 feet. Frequency range 2.4 to 2.48 gigahertz. Compliance V5, whatever. Charging input DC. There we go. You know what? Screw it. Let's just open them up. You get a little set of instructions right here with them, and I'll kind of go over these instructions with you real quick. So you got the case itself, which is right here. Oh, and let me go ahead and show you what else. You also get inside the case is a USB-C cord and a little padding right there. I don't think there's anything else. And then the unit itself right here. On the outside of this, you get to see the charging of it. I've already used these, so they're charging back up. You can kind of see right here, and there's a step 1, step 2, and step 3. They kind of go up on the top of the ear, and then to adjust it, you see how the left one, and then looking over them, when you pull them out here, I don't see where it says left and right on them. I looked on them earlier and I didn't see anything. That's the left and that's the right. And the best way to tell is however they fit in here. Like, look, the left will not fit properly inside there. You see that? The left doesn't fit in there, but the right fits on the right side. The left fits on the left side. Fairly easy, and you can see they are charging as soon as I put them in there. This outside is touch sensitive. So double click is to pause and playback. 3 strikes is to switch to previous song. And then on the right side, you're going to, by the way, it's automatically connected to my phone. Right side is double click, pauses it, and then 3 hits is switch to next song. And that's all of the features right there. You got an IPX5 waterproofing on these things. See, as soon as you take them out, they connect up. You can see I've connected to my phone. It's super simple. They're connected. I think it's just F6 earbuds under the Bluetooth. Very high quality. What I do like about these things is while I'm running, I went for a run, so I use them while I'm running, and it leaves the ear open so you can hear traffic coming behind you, car horns, or just like a bike coming up behind you. Because when I'm out on the trail doing my morning runs, I don't want to be able to be caught off guard. And what I like about these, it does not close off all of the sound. This is something I highly recommend for anybody that's biking, running. And then when you're done, you just put them right back in here like this. And as soon as you put them in, they will start charging. You can see they're charging up and it just cut them off. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the DWOLM F6 open ear headphones. See y'all in the next video.